Dosa is a popular South Indian dish made from fermented rice and lentil batter. It's a delicious and healthy breakfast or snack option. Here's how you can make it at home. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1/2 cup urad dal, split black gram, 1/4 cup poha, flattened rice, salt to taste, water as required, oil or ghee for cooking instructions. Rinse the rice, urad dal, and poha in separate bowls and soak them in water for at least 4 hours. Drain the water from the soaked ingredients and grind them together in a blender or wet grinder, adding water as required to make a smooth batter. The batter should be thick but pourable. Transfer the batter to a large bowl and add salt to taste. Mix well and cover the bowl with a lid. Keep the batter in a warm place to ferment for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. The batter should double in size and become slightly sour. Once the batter is fermented, give it a good stir. If the batter is too thick, you can add a little water to thin it out. Heat a non-stick pan or tawa over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, spread a little oil or ghee on it using a tissue or cloth. Pour a ladleful of the dosa batter onto the pan and spread it out in a circular motion using the back of the ladle to form a thin layer. You can make the dosa as big or small as you like. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges of the dosa. Cook the dosa on medium heat until it turns golden brown and crispy. Flip the dosa over and cook the other side for a minute or two until it's cooked through. Serve the dosa hot with chutney and sambar on the side. Enjoy your homemade dosa.